just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around, I just wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sharell. If you're new here, welcome to my vlog. So I am fresh off of vacation. We came back from Bali a week ago and I was actually sick. I did catch BALI, I believe, food poison, something. It was something going on when I came back home. So today is like the first day I feel like myself. So I was like, let me vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while and this is the first time I'm like moving around and getting things done around the house. Of course our house was clean before we left, but it's like coming back and loads of laundry. I'm actually doing my last load now. I started yesterday, I finished today, so I'm gonna get back on schedule doing like one small load a day. But I just washed like buku clothes. So now I am in the kitchen. I'm going to be selling our bar stools because they're too high. Let me show you. So this is our current bar stools and this is how high it sits on our countertop, and it's like no way for us to like sit down. So we had this since we first got the house and I was like, you know what, let's just get rid of it. Let's get rid of them and get some more. I'm not sure which ones I'm gonna get. I'm gonna probably shop around for a while. I think I have about a month to get some because I do have family coming in town next month. So I guess that's my like deadline to get anything. So I'm not in a rush to buy them, but I do want to like get rid of these right now. I'm gonna sell them on Facebook Marketplace and our like neighborhood market thingy. So yeah, just four stools just to get them off the way, because look, it's a lot of things that I put off because I was going on a trip and I just was like, oh, I'm gonna do it when I get back, I'm gonna do it when I get back, and we're back. And that was our last international trip, I think, this year. Because yo, that flight, those flights, like those 15, 16-hour flights are like torture to me. So yeah, I'm still recovering. So I'm recovering from first the long flights, the actual vacation, being sick after vacation, and just like slowly getting the house together. So that's what I'm doing today. Today's Friday, by the way, but that's what I'm doing today, is getting the house together. I want to sell these stools. We're gonna actually sell our bed, but Josh said he already has pictures of the bed. So I don't know how soon he wants to sell it. And I do want to sell my dining table, but I think I'm gonna wait until after my family comes to sell the dining table, because I don't want to be like in limbo and, you know, sold the dining table and then it takes like weeks and weeks and weeks to get a new dining table. So I'm gonna wait until after they leave in July to change my dining table, but the glass gotta go. So I've been looking like wood ones, just like I think I still want a 6-seater. So yeah, we've been still looking at 6-seater, so I think I'm gonna still do that. And yeah, y'all, I have to go grocery shopping because I did like a Walmart like delivery this week and it barely got us through the week. But I'm about to show you how white our refrigerator is. Like literally nothing in this refrigerator. Nothing. Sour cream, some sparkling water, creamer, of course. If anything, I'm gonna get creamer for coffee. Yeah, and I think this is like meat that we have to cook. But other than that, the refrigerator is not flooded is horrible. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Costco today because I don't want to go tomorrow. These braids are coming out tomorrow too. I know y'all sick of them. I'm sick of them. I wanted to actually take them out before I even left Bali. I said if I had scissors, I would have just chopped them shorter. Cause just thinking about like on a plane home and your hair is like, I'm trying to put it in a bun, try to sleep and do all that stuff. It was a lot. It was a lot that contributed to having a horrible ride home. And crazy thing is, I wasn't sick on the way home. I got sick like we came home Saturday morning and I got sick Sunday. So that's why I was like, I don't know exactly what it was, but I blame Bali. It was worth it. And I don't know. I don't want to say the sickness was worth it because I wouldn't put that pain and like discomfort on my worst enemy. But me being able to see Bali and Singapore, it was worth the trip. It's like, I know it's like most people like dream vacation, and shoot, it's my dream vacation. I'm talking about most people. It's my dream vacation, and I was grateful that I was able to go and enjoy that with my husband and friends. So yeah, but we got work to do. We got lots to do this weekend. Hair, Costco, trying to sell some things to replace, because I don't know, I'm still trying to decide what type of bar stools I want. I don't know if I want like the same style as those without backs, or do I want some with backs. I don't know, but we shall see. But I've been cleaning. It felt like the heater was on. That's weird. But I've been cleaning all day. I even cleaned, y'all can't really see, it's dark, but I cleaned that sofa area. I plan on actually refreshing that sofa this weekend too, just to have a refresh. Y'all don't know how bad, like, it feels good. Like, I was down and out. Like, I could barely like stand up for like 5 minutes. That's how bad it was. So I feel good to be able to walk around and talk to y'all and just feel better, because it wasn't looking so good. It wasn't looking so good for you, girl. I went to urgent care and everything. It wasn't looking too good. But yeah, I have clothes drying. I have a load of clothes to fold. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. Probably pick you guys up later when I'm on my way to Costco. I am not wearing pajamas to Costco. It's just that type of day that I didn't feel like putting on clothes right now. But I prefer going to Costco today instead of tomorrow, if I could have all tomorrow, just to continue to get my life together. Because, yeah. All right, y'all. So I am about to go to Costco. I have on my hat, looking like somebody's auntie, which I am. Several people aunties. But I have on my Mrs. hat. I haven't worn this since my honeymoon, but I'm gonna show you what I have on. So I just threw on a t-shirt, tights, hat, some slides, and then yeah, we're about to head to Costco. All right, y'all, I'm back from Costco. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's like a medium haul. I won't call it a big haul, but it was a medium haul. We had to restock on a lot because, as y'all saw, my refrigerator is white. So first up, eggs. Staple, we need eggs. I always get whatever eggs is cheapest, and this week $4.99 for cage-free eggs. I got a bottle of rosé. Let me take this off. Alright, so I got a bottle of rosé, the Kirkland brand. I got some more Kinder's seasoned, the caramelized onion butter. Hopefully this is good. Some pears. I have been obsessed with like lychee lately, like anything flavored. So I just bought the fresh ones. Hopefully they're good. I bought a pineapple to cut up. I bought some of these coffees. It comes with vanilla latte, triple latte, and mocha latte. 4 of each, 12. So these are just like good when I don't feel like mixing coffee. Had to get some more almond milk. This lasts us a good 2 months. So yes, I'd always get a case of this almond milk. It's just, for this case is $7.99, and you get 6 of the 1 quart containers. So these are good. So these are leaving Costco. They had the little star by it, the asterisk by it. So I bought 4. Actually 2 is for me, 2 is for my sister. I tried to call her when I was in the store, but she did not pick up because I wanted to see how many she wanted to get, because she is coming down and I want to get them because she said she couldn't find them in her Sam's. So I got you 2. Now you better tell me if you want more, because once whatever's on that pallet, if it's gone, it's gone. So I just got you 2. So I did what I need to do. Now, if you wanted more, I could try to see tomorrow if they have some more. But got 2 for now. But yeah, 2 for my household, 2 for my sister. And this is the bulk of the stuff. I got some mini naan. These are good for dip. I got this chicken coconut curry with mango. Oh, I didn't put a hole in it. Caesar salad, organic. Some avocado oil. I don't know why I said it like that. Some avocado oil. Some carb balanced tortillas. Is this salmon? Okay. Some salmon. Some spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip and spread. This is good. This will go good with that naan too, and some tortilla chips. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this. Bulgogi, whatever. Beef bulgogi mandu. So this is on sale. It's extra large dumplings filled with Korean style bulgogi flavor. Girl, if you can't pronounce it, don't eat it. But it looks good, so I got it. I like dumplings, so I got it. Then I've been looking for these, and my Costco finally got this. I am on a Black Woman Loves Costco group on Facebook, and they always talking about these, and I finally got them. My Costco finally has them. I can't wait to try these. It's the pupusas, the birria, and cheese. So it's seasoned beef with mozzarella cheese. I didn't even check the nutritional facts on this. So for 240 calories. Goodness. Yikes. But I want to try it, so I got them. Oh, I was like, where are these in the freezer? Keep refrigerator. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. And I got these turkey burgers. They're seasoned. The Columbus brand turkey bacon is good, so I'm assuming these are good. They was actually on sale, so I was like, good. I want to try them. And the macros on them are so good. I think one patty is 240 calories, but it's 30 grams of protein. So I feel like that's great. And then I had to re-up on some breakfast sausage. So I got these chicken breakfast links. These are pretty good. I didn't want to get turkey bacon. I have a feeling that Costco turkey bacon is going to go on sale soon. So I just got these in the meantime, just to have something different in the morning. And lastly, I got the ground beef, of course the 3-pack, the organic ground beef, and I got some chicken thighs. So I love the way Costco meat is like packaged because they come already pre-packed. All I have to do is cut the seams here in the 6 packs of meat. But cut the seams here and then put them in the freezer. Simple. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday afternoon. I literally just woke up 30 minutes ago. It is 12. I'm gonna see if I can show you. Well, 12:29. I don't ever sleep this late. This is really good. It's the vanilla flavor and it's frothy. Like I wasn't expecting still to be frothy in the can, but it's frothy. But it's good. So this is what I need this morning because obviously I'm not well rested. I think I'm still jet lagged, but what's stopping me from like actually sleeping later is I have to set an alarm in the morning because I log into work so early. I did not go to the gym this week. We'll just get that out the way. But I log into work so early that I'm afraid that if I do sleep until my body wakes up, it'll be 12. And then I'll have like 4 or 5 meetings that I miss. So I was glad I was able to get my rest this morning, uninterrupted. Since our room is so bright, I put on like the eye mask, the sleeping mask. Works wonders. I'm gonna have to start using that every weekend if I can sleep late, because like the latest I sleep on a weekend is probably 7 or 8 o'clock, not 12 o'clock. I haven't done this since I was a kid. Like that is wild to me. Y'all, these are so good. I wouldn't drink it every day, of course, because I love my espresso machine. Like I stand for it. I just don't have any coffee pods at the moment. And I was supposed to go to Target yesterday to get some coffee pods, but it slipped my mind twice because we went to Costco. And then at the Costco, we went out to eat. And they had a Target by the restaurant, so didn't go again. So I don't know if I'm going today because I have such a late start to my morning. I didn't mention this yesterday, but I was going to go to a brunch today. I can see what time it starts, but I don't know if I'm going to make it. Oh, it started already. I'm so mad I couldn't make it. I'm not like highly upset, but it started at 11. It was on my radar to go, but it wasn't like oh, I had my outfit picked out to go. It was just like, I'm gonna just see how my morning goes, and obviously I skipped out on the morning this morning. So, oh man, I missed it. Alright, so I guess I could tackle this hair because it has to come out this weekend. I don't have time next week to actually do it because next week I want to focus on getting back on my routine. And of course I have a hair appointment on Friday, so I just want to get it out today. I probably won't wash it today, but at least get it out today, and probably wash and just twist it tomorrow just to get it out the way. This is good. This was kind of like an impulse buy, and I'm happy about it. So it comes with vanilla, triple espresso, and mocha. I'm not a huge mocha girl, but I'm gonna drink the mocha, but the vanilla will always have my heart. Look at my cabinet open. I be the one that leave the cabinets open. So I probably was so knocked out that I didn't hear my Sam's delivery get delivered. So I'm about to go get that, open it up. It's just like snacks for us because we really don't have snacks. I noticed this week, and I be hungry and I don't be wanting to eat meals all the time. So let's go get that. This box was literally outside for probably 40 minutes, and it is hot. Y'all, it's 91 degrees already. Austin, let's get prepared for our summer. So I bought this for Josh and I, mostly Josh because he loves nuts. It comes with salted cashews, salted peanuts, and honey roasted peanuts. So a quick little snack to have throughout the day. And then I saw these. And then I remember I used to get these at Taco Bell, like the, oh my God, what was they called? Cinnamon Twists. So hopefully these taste the same as Cinnamon Twists. I actually got 2 bags. So I'm not eating them now because I don't want to. That's not what I want to eat. I honestly don't know what I want to eat if I still want to do breakfast after 12. Ugh, we call that brunch, right? But no, I don't want to do that either. Let me get this out the way. I think it was New Year's when I went to Home Goods and stuff to find organization for my refrigerator. My refrigerator is not totally organized. Oh, I didn't even show you guys after I put our stuff up. It's not organized, and I don't think it will ever be. I don't think I'm that girl, honestly, to have my kitchen totally organized. I mean, my refrigerator totally organized, but I'm working on it. So this is gonna be out today. Josh said he's gonna grill this meat, so we don't have to worry about the meat going bad. It only been out for a day, but since we went out to eat yesterday, we didn't cook it. He said he's gonna grill the salmon. I can't wait to try these. I probably have these like in a little while, just to have like as lunch, because I really want to try these. These are just overstocks on eggs. I love putting my eggs right here. Usually I put my fresh fruit here, like berries and stuff. I'm gonna keep it empty because I do have these leashes, but I'm not gonna put them in here. I'm gonna put some berries whenever I get some. And then I use this like for like yogurt, cream spread. Well, no, I'm sorry. I use these for spreads, and I have a little jello pack in there, but I usually use this one for yogurt and stuff. I put the 9 in here. I'm gonna freeze some because I don't know if we're gonna eat all that. And then veggies. No, I like to keep my drinks on this little shelf because it's just easier access, and we love drinking sparkling water. And like I said earlier, this coffee is good, but I want to try the mocha. I'm not gonna try to drink it every day because I love my Nespresso coffee, but I want to try the mocha. I want to keep my veggies and stuff. I keep the cheese in it too, but veggies, I probably should have got more cheese yesterday, because if you buy the cheese from Costco and freeze the other pack, they freeze and unfreeze very well. But I think we have enough cheese for now. And I like keeping my waters down here. I probably gotta restock them. Keep my waters, and these Fairlights I've been holding on to. I probably need to start drinking them. For some reason with the strawberry, I feel like I gotta drink it with something else. So I just can't drink it by itself. So I've been drinking it like with matchas. But yeah. This is the refrigerator. This side will always, I feel like, be a mess and never be organized. But I do like going through it to see what expires. Look, what are we holding on to? But whatever. See what, like, going through it and see what expires. Like every month, so it's getting better. I just want it to be more organized. I don't know if I need more of these to be more organized, or should I just like switch it up. But of course my refrigerator came with way more shelves. I think I have like 2 extra shelves, but I like having like this big shelf because of course when you have leftovers you can stack them up. Also drinks fit on this shelf. I think wine actually fits on the shelf. Wine fits on the shelf. It's just I like it deep, and then this little space right here is easy. Just pull out actually like this. Where it won't be poking out, but just pull out, and then I do have to take out the eggs because it doesn't look easy. But yeah, it's not white no more, y'all. I got food. I'm gonna just finish my coffee and probably scroll TikTok for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna start taking out my hair. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to start taking my hair out. I got my bag. I got my what's it called, scissors. I got my computer to watch YouTube because I don't have a TV in this room, and I want to watch something. Wait, I think I'm gonna just start with cutting them all, but I do want to see. Every girl goes through this. Your hair be up here, but then like I want to cut like down here just to see exactly what my hair is, girl, cause my hair done grew. My hair done grew. So let's cut the first one. See, but I don't be knowing. Like, y'all see this hair sticking out? Like, is that my hair? I don't think my hair is this long, but I'm gonna start right here. Let's see where my hair actually is. Oh, let's open this bag up. So I'm gonna vacuum after, of course. It's time to take these out. I don't see my hair yet.
Ignore that danger, I see it coming out.
Okay, so this is where my hair is now. So I know I could cut at least like right to here. Oh girl, will you think you have long hair? Will you think you have long hair? Well, I'm about to go grab my food really quickly to see if it's done, and then I'm gonna start. I just wanted to see where my hair is at, and oh, I haven't touched my hair in months. I miss it. I got my pupusa. Hopefully I'm saying this right. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but the pupusa that I got from, see, getting on my nerves. The pupusa that I got from Costco yesterday. So it's pretty good. I got a little lunch. But yeah, let me finish doing my hair. Hopefully I'll be done in the next hour or so. These are medium size, so it shouldn't take that long. We are almost almost done. Psych. Alright, so this is what I have so far. I have the front half of my head done. I actually cut my hair on accident because I was just being so impatient, and I cut it like up here. So one of the strands back here is actually short, but hopefully when I get my hair done it could be fixed. Hopefully it could be fixed. I'm not really concerned about it, but yeah, I think I'm gonna just finish like this whole side of my head right now, and I'm gonna take a break because this is draining. It's very, very draining. And I think I cut this one too short too, because I think I cut two of them, and one of them I cut, you could see that I actually cut my hair because it was blunt, but let me cut it like down here. Then I'm gonna do these, and then I'll do these later on because my butt's starting to hurt and I have hair all over me. Or maybe I should just see it through, my boy. Because if I get up, I'm gonna have hair everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna just finish it because once I get out these clothes, I'm gonna like vacuum and shake out my robe and stuff and shake out this hair because I don't want to have to do that twice. So let me continue watching YouTube and finish this. Y'all, it's been almost 2 hours. I'm almost done. This is all I have left, but I had to get a stack some cashews, a sparkling water. I gotta finish it because I can't take no breaks. I'm almost done, but I needed something. I was getting a little hungry. And Josh is barbecuing today, so he just came from the store and I think he's prepping the grill. So I want a little snacky snack before he start cooking. But we almost there, y'all. We almost there. This is my hair currently. It's all done. I do need to put, like I said, oil to like loosen up the buildup in the front. I'm gonna do that a little bit later. Oh, I miss my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss it. Oh, I miss it. But this is the mess. Like, look at all this hair on me. Do y'all see all this hair on me? Like, it's a lot. This is all the hair that came out. So, thank goodness for that. But yeah, I'm about to put oil on my scalp to loosen up the buildup, and it feels so good just to not have like the weight of hair on me right now. I so miss my natural hair. It looked like it grew a little bit too. So Josh is outside on the grill. I don't know if you guys can see. That's what we have so far. Chicken, sausage, salmon. Hair is flowing wildly. But yeah, Josh is on a grill. Alright, y'all, so I am about to clean my cushions to my couch. I'm not doing the pillows today. I'm actually not going to even do the back of the cushions. I'm only going to do the cushions and this part. I mean, the top part and this part of the cushion. Sorry, my phone and the remote. But this is how it looks now. It's not that sunny outside. I try to open up the blinds. And hopefully it gets like some of like, I guess the dirt, oil and whatever from that's like embedded in it, because I don't think it's as clean or cream as it was when we first got it. Of course, it's been almost 3 years. Yeah, it's been almost 3 years, and like I feel like this part of the sofa needs a lot of refreshing. But I finally took out my Hoover, spotless. I never used this before. It did come with some cleaning solution, so I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I intend on refreshing just the top part of the couch for now, because I'm pretty sure I'll be doing this multiple times a year. I just want to get the first round done today, because like I said, there's a lot of things that I put off because I was taking vacation, and now since I'm back, I want to do a little bit of spring cleaning. And first I'm going to start with this. So I briefly read the directions on here, but I think I'm going to actually set you guys up and take these pillows off the sofa and just clear out this area a bit. Alright, so this is how it looks with all the pillows off. We have a charger in between the sofa, so I'll make sure that it doesn't get wet, but this is the before, like the before. Alright, so currently this is how the water's looking. It is dirty, but it's at this max, so it keeps like stopping me. So I'm gonna dump it out, and I'm actually gonna add some more water and solution. But this is how it looks so far. So these are the cushions so far. Look how dirty the water is. It probably doesn't look like a big difference on camera, but you could tell like it's a little bit more cleaner. I did this armrest. I need to do this armrest, and then I'm gonna tackle these back cushions. I probably have to fill it up one more time to tackle the back cushions, and then we'll be done in here. All right, I did the whole sofa, the backs, the cushion, and I don't know. I don't know if I see the difference, but hopefully I see a difference when I look back on the footage. But it did take some dirt out because that water was filthy. So I'm gonna wait till it dry. I have the fan on high. Y'all, watch Yellowstone. So good. But the fan on high to let it dry. And then still have my pillows right here. Alright, I did a Walmart delivery because I needed just to supplement our Costco order, or Costco groceries from this weekend. So I got some sweet potato fries. These are gonna go with our turkey burgers. I got some Eggos because sometimes I just be wanting Eggos in the morning. I got some Cokes because I've been craving a cold drink forever, and I just got the mini Cokes. I got some bread, some buns for our turkey burgers. I got an onion. This is gonna be for my enchiladas tonight. I got some butter just to supplement the butter. I'm ashy, but I'm ashy. Some Brussels sprouts to have as a side this week. Some cheese. I got the Fiesta blend to go with the enchiladas tonight. I got some Dawn dish soap. I like just buying this one and refilling it in my Easy Squeeze bottle. It's just cheaper that way. Some non-stick scrub, non-scratch scrub sponges to wash dishes with. Let's do it over here. Some diced green chilies. This is for the enchiladas, of course. I got some red enchilada sauce. This is my first time using the enchilada sauce. When I make enchiladas, I usually do chicken enchiladas and I make my own sauce. But today we're gonna do it the lazy way. I'm gonna make ground beef enchiladas and I'm gonna use the red sauce. And this is in medium. So I got 2 cans of those. And then I got some straws because we're almost out of straws. I got some Nespresso pies. I'm so glad Walmart got these now. It's like, it was a hit or miss. Like, they used to have them, then they stopped, now they have them again. Until I'll make a order with Nespresso. It's just, this is why we're gonna go to Target, because Target carries them for sure. But I was shocked when I saw them on Walmart website. So I just got some coffee. Probably to last us this week until this weekend, until I'm able to either order from Nespresso or go to Nespresso. And then lastly, some tortilla chips. And this is my Walmart delivery order. All this together was, I think, $40. This is probably like the most expensive thing because this is like almost $11. But all of this is $40. And plus, of course, I tipped the driver. It don't matter how close I am to Walmart. I have Walmart Plus, so I'm gonna use it. But I'm gonna tip the driver. But yeah, this is the most expensive thing. So I think we're good on, because I bought all them turkey burgers from Costco. I like turkey burgers and sweet potato fries. It just goes together well for me. Like a regular burger, I can do regular potato fries, but turkey burger and sweet potato fries is what does it for me.